If you are planning to study abroad and the SET exam is on your list, this video is especially for you. Today, I will walk you through how to register for the SET step by step in a very simple and a clear way, so you don't make mistake during registration process. Before we begin, let's quickly understand what is SET. SET stands for Scholastic Assessment Test. It is a standardized exam designed to evaluate a student's readiness for college admissions. The test includes math and evidence-based reading and writing with 800 points for each section, making a total score of 1600. The SET is now conducted in a digital format and your score can be sent directly to university as per your choice. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. Step 1. Create a College Board account and sign up. First of all, go to the official College Board website. Here, you need to create your student account. If you already have an account, that is great, just log in. If not, sign up using an active email and create a username and password. This account is very important because it helps you book your SET date, check your SET scores, send scores to universities. So, make sure you remember your login details. Step 2. Enter personal and identification details. Once your account is ready, you will be asked to fill your personal details like full name exactly as on your Aadhaar card or passport, date of birth, gender, contact details, and high school information. Step 3. Select test date and center. You will see a list of available test center near your city and different exam dates. Choose carefully because seats are limited and popular centers fill fast. Here are the official SET dates for 2026 announced by the College Board with their respective deadlines. And anticipated test date for session 2026 to 2027 are here. Try to register at least 1 month in advance to get your preferred center. Step 4. Upload a valid recent photograph. Make sure your photo follows College Board rules. Clear view of your face, white or light background, no sunglasses, caps or hat. This photo will appear on your SET admission ticket and will be used for identification at the test center. Step 5. Pay the SET registration fee. You can pay using a credit card or PayPal. For Indian students, the digital SET exam fees is around 12,000 rupees. After successful payment, you will receive a confirmation email. Download and print your SET admission ticket. Keep it safe for exam date, and that is it. Your SET registration is complete. Always register early to avoid last-minute stress and unavailable test centers. If you follow these 5 steps carefully, your SET registration will be smooth and hassle-free. If this video helped you, like, share and subscribe for more study abroad guidance. Drop your doubts in the comment. See you in the next video and all the best for your SET preparation.